The environment refers to the surrounding conditions in which an organism lives and interacts, including both living or biotic and non-living or abiotic components. It consists of the following concept of environment. The environment encompasses all external factors and conditions, including natural and human-made elements that affect organisms and their ability to survive and thrive. It includes physical surroundings like land, air, and water. It also involves living organisms such as plants, animals, and microorganisms. Additionally, social and cultural factors, including human communities and interactions, play a significant role. Human activities and interactions with the natural environment. Humans significantly influence the environment through activities such as urbanization, which leads to habitat destruction and pollution. Agriculture modifies landscapes and impacts ecosystems with fertilizers, pesticides, and monocultures. Industrialization contributes to pollution, air, water, and soil, and climate change. However, human activities can also be positive, such as reforestation, wildlife protection, and pollution control. Abiotic and biotic factors. Abiotic factors are non-living components of the environment that affect living organisms. These include water, which is essential for life and ecosystems; temperature, which affects metabolism and survival of organisms; soil, which provides nutrients for plants; light, which is crucial for photosynthesis in plants; air, providing oxygen for respiration and carbon dioxide for photosynthesis; and climate, the long-term weather patterns that influence ecosystems. Biotic factors are the living components that shape ecosystems and interact with abiotic factors. These include plants, which are producers that generate energy through photosynthesis; animals, which are consumers that rely on other organisms for food; and decomposers like fungi and bacteria that break down dead matter, recycling nutrients into the ecosystem. Effects of abiotic and biotic factors on communities. Abiotic factors directly impact which organisms can live in an environment. For example, certain plants thrive in specific soil types or climates. On the other hand, biotic factors influence the relationships between species. Think of predator-prey dynamics or competition for resources. The concept of an ecosystem is quite fascinating. An ecosystem is a community of living organisms, such as plants, animals, and microbes, interacting with each other and their physical environment, which includes air, water, soil, and climate in a specific area. Ecosystems can vary in size, from a small pond to a large forest or desert. Let's dive into ecosystem structure. Producers are organisms like plants that create their own food through photosynthesis. Then we have consumers, which are organisms that feed on producers or other consumers. These can be herbivores, carnivores, or omnivores. Lastly, decomposers break down dead material, returning nutrients to the environment. Now let's talk about ecosystem functioning. Energy flows through an ecosystem in food chains and webs, beginning with the sun, which provides energy for plants, the producers. These plants are then consumed by animals, the primary consumers, and so on. Another key aspect is nutrient cycling. Decomposers recycle nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus back into the soil, which plants can then reuse.